Today we are looking at a Jacobson 60D PULV hammer mill. This unit is in excellent condition. We've just finished completely rebuilding it. We're going to do a walk around of the unit, then we are going to fire it up so you can see it run. This unit runs off of a 10 horsepower, single phase, 220 volt electric motor. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt. See the bearings here, they're in excellent shape. All of the wear components have been checked. Everything has been inspected and has been given the thumbs up. You can see the tag of the motor. Again, it's a 10 horsepower single phase electric motor. This unit came in with this extended hopper. It was well built, so we decided to include it with the unit. And it also has this auger clamp here, so you can put an auger up to the top of this and you can feed the unit with whatever product you're wanting to grind. It has this nice scalping magnet here. It has a handle that you can turn and then pull it down. I will demonstrate that to you now. There we go, it turns that way. Spins freely and easily. We've greased this as well to keep it from sticking. And then this folds down and out of the way, and you have access to your magnet, and that allows you to clean it if you have a large hopper attached to the top up here. When we got this unit in, the paint from the factory that was over the magnet was not worn off. That indicates that this unit has seen very little use. We will open up the hammer chamber here. This is where the feed is ground by the knives as they spin. All right, I've loosened up the hand cranks here. Those swing out of the way, and then we push up on this finger here. This ensures that you don't pull it open before it's stopped. We have some warning labels as well. Then the door swings out of the way. The door is in excellent shape. The gasket is in good shape. We can see the knives here. Now, we painted everything that we could while leaving the knives and grinding chamber clean. Now we can see that these knives have a slight bit of rounding there on the use corner. Then we have a fresh corner here. And then at the back side, we have two fresh corners as well. So these knives could be ran as they are with the small amount of wear on the first corner. And then you have 3 more corners. So these knives could be rotated 3 more times. And these not having much use on them shows that this unit was used very little as well. Again, the grinding chamber is in nice shape. We will be supplying a screen for this unit for whatever crop that you want to grind, whether it be wheat, corn, beans, etc. So this will be coming with a free screen for any crop that you're wanting to grind. I've closed the door on the unit. Just tightens up by these hand cranks here. Again, this extension hopper would be bolted on top of the unit. We can see the feed gate here. It just slides up and down. And once you have your flow rate established, you then tighten this bolt here and then tighten this jam nut to keep it from moving. This unit also has this heavy built stand underneath. That gets the discharge up off the ground. So it makes piping the ground product into a bucket elevator or an auger very easy. I've got my tape measure handy, so from the ground, the bottom of the stand, to the discharge is a little over 18 inches. We will just call it 18 inches. I think I've showed you everything you need to see. Now let's put power to this unit so you can see it run. All right, we have the unit hooked up to 220 volts single phase. You can see inside of the electrical box, capacitors look good. The inside of the motor looks good. We are going to fire the unit up for you now.
1
Unit fires right up. Motor starts strong, runs strong. Again, this unit has seen very little use. The indicators of little use were there when we rebuilt this unit. And the knives are in good condition. They haven't been rotated at all. The unit fired right up. The motor starts strong, runs strong. This unit hums right along. It's nice and quiet. There is no excess vibration. The knives are well balanced. This is a high quality unit. Again, all of the wear components were checked. The bearings are in good shape. Sheet metal is in good shape. Again, we will be including a screen for whatever crop you want to grind. Unit hums right along. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Thank you for watching.